Hi everybody, welcome to our next prefix lesson. Today we are going to be looking at two prefixes. So we're going to be looking at the prefixes of re and in. So let's start with re. I'm going to make this word, this says rewrite. Well, writing something, just means to, like, you write down your researches or you type up your researches. Now, rewrite. What if I said, I'd like you to rewrite this paragraph, but make sure you include correct capitalization? Well, if I wanted you to rewrite something, you would write it again, write it over again. So let's do another one. How about this word? Repaint. As in, today I'm going to repaint the front porch. So we know what paint means. It means to go ahead and put paint on something with paintbrushes or rollers or a sprayer. And if I'm going to repaint it, that means it's already painted. I need to paint it again so that it holds up nicely because my front steps are chipping a little. So I do need to repaint my porch. Let's do one more. Okay, so reappear. What does appear mean? Appear means to show up. So the rain appeared this morning. However, I think it will reappear this afternoon, which means it will appear again this afternoon. So to write again, to paint again, to appear again. So we can see that re means again, okay? You could also think of rewatch or relive. Those mean to watch again or to live again. So I want you to go ahead and see if you can collect other words that begin with the re prefix that mean, or re means again. Let's go ahead and look at our other prefix for today. Okay, so we're going to look at the prefix of in. Okay, so what about this word? What about the word include? What does that mean, to include someone? Well, that means to have them join, to have them be part of the group. So to welcome them into the group. So include is one word. Let's do another one. Inhale. What does inhale mean? I am going to inhale the sweet smell of rain. That means to breathe in. To inhale the lovely smell of the lavender. So inhale means to breathe in. Bring that air into your lungs. Let's do one more. Ingest. Well, ingest means to put something in your body, specifically through your mouth. So I'm going to ingest this ice cream and it's going to be lovely. So that means that ice cream is going into my body, specifically through my mouth. So include means to have someone join you, come into the group. Inhale means to breathe air or a smell into your lungs. And ingest means to put something into your mouth and swallow it. So do you hear the into? Into, yes. So in this case means into. Now in can mean one other thing, and I want to take a look at that real quick. Okay, so there's another meaning for the prefix of in, and I want to go ahead and take a quick look at that with you. So let's do 3 more words for this other definition. Inactive. So I could say the computer is inactive at the moment. So active means to work, working. Inactive means not working. Or you could think of, well, I've been pretty inactive today, meaning, maybe I just kind of hung out in the house, sat on the couch, relaxed, instead of being active, like going out and gardening. So inactive means to not be active. Let us find another one. So incorrect. What does incorrect mean? Well, correct means something's right, and incorrect means something is not right. So that means not right. One more. Incomplete. So complete means finished, right? But if I say your work is incomplete, you need to sit down and finish it. That means it is not complete. So not active, not correct, not complete. That's what each of these words mean. So in, when used in this context, means not. So over here you have into, as in to include somebody into the group, to take air into your lungs, to take food or something into your mouth and swallow it. Inactive means not active. Incorrect, not correct. Incomplete, not complete. So into and not are the 2 meanings for our prefix of in. So I want you to go ahead and start collecting some of these words that begin with re and in, you are going to find words where the re or the in doesn't mean one of these things. And that's okay. That's going to happen. The English language is not going to be exact. However, if you find a pattern where they mean something different, write that down, share it with us. Let us see what you come up with. And I look forward to seeing your work. I hope you're having a great afternoon, and I will talk to you later.